up, what's up, what's up? Good evening. Today is January 12, 2026. Yeah. Kakabalik lang natin sa pag-gym kasi nag-traslasyon tayo sa Maynila. Yan. Workout natin every day is full body workout. Full body meaning na tamaan yung legs, upper, back, basta lahat, shoulder, arms, basta lahat. Low volume, tapos high intensity. Yan. Ano tayo? Weighted pull-ups. Yun lang. 1 minute na. Bye-bye.